kit comes in a cardboard box. Components inside are either wrapped up in tissue paper, or some of them are bagged in Ziploc bags which have a number on the outside. Number relates to the diagram in the A4 sized illustrated instructions. The kit has been developed around the proven 240 multi-gauge chassis using a single double-acting oscillating cylinder with a 6:1 gear reduction. The base plate is laser cut plywood with plank detailing and a nice added effect of etched knots with the occasional holes. The buffer beams are nice thick wood which has been laser cut around the outside, and the back has been routed out to allow the fitting of the LGB compatible coupling. The vertical boiler is similar to that used on the Willy and at Challenger. On mine it has 3 vertical flue tubes which are centrally located in the boiler, whereas I have seen variations of the Henry boiler where those 3 flue tubes have been offset from the center to be better located over the poker burner underneath. The boiler is finished off with a nice cap and a Backwoods type chimney. The main bodywork is made up from laser cut wood. Again, we've got the nice added effect of the etched knots around the rear housing. The vertical uprights on the outside of these housings are extended downwards so that this main bodywork just slips down on top of the base plate. The kit is completed with a removable roof made out of a piece of plywood, single ply, which has a cutout for the chimney and safety valve.
That's right, I really got
I don't know.
one I kind of disappointed, and it's that sounding like this, dropping, and that's it. And it's an hour and a half done. now, you know. But that many bits and bobs we
Oh.